Hello, this video is on how to share into a ratio. Ratio is best understood by linking it to fractions. So let's have a look at 1/3. I can do a bar model of a third, which looks like this. So I've got a whole thing like that. And I can say this bit here is 1/3. So it's one part out of 3 in total. And let's say I share some money with my friend Jamie. If I get 1/3, so let's say that's me, I'm John, I'm with my friend Jamie. He's going to get the rest of it, isn't he? So I get 1/3. He gets 2/3. And then if we are sharing £12 and there's 3 equal parts. So if we were sharing £12 and there's 3 equal parts, divide by 3. So each part is £4. Each one's £4. I get this part here. Jamie gets these 2 parts. So if we think about the question here, so this typical question. John and Jamie share some money and John gets 1/3. The total amount is £12. How much does John get? Well, this is what we've just answered here, and I get £4, Jamie gets £8. And when we're thinking about the question, what we're told is, we're told here the total number of sections, 3. And we're told how many sections John gets, which is 1. Now this is what I would describe as a parts to whole relationship. So this 1/3, so 1 part and 3 is the total amount. Now if we think about the same question but using ratios, it would look something like this. So John and Jamie share some money in the ratio 1:2. The total amount is £12. How much does John get? So this time, rather than this 1/3, it's 1:2. Which is parts to parts relationship. So this is the difference between a ratio and a fraction. Here we're told my parts and Jamie's parts, okay, rather than the whole thing. Now the bar model would look exactly the same, wouldn't look any different. And how much does John get? Well, it's the same, it's still £4. I get 1 part, Jamie gets 2 parts. So they're exactly the same question, just the wording between them is slightly different. Okay, so let's do another example. So just give that a quick read. So Amy and Brian share some money in the ratio 3:2. The total amount is £30. How much does Brian get? I'll start by bar modelling again. Amy has 3 parts, Brian has 2, so I'm just going to put Amy here and then put Brian here. Now total amount is 30, So I could put that information in as well. Could say that whole thing's £30. So how much does Brian get? Well, there's £30 in total. So if I do 30 divided by, remember there's 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, divide by 5, we get £6. So each part is £6. So I could put 6 in each one. Brian gets 2 parts, this one and this one, so that's 6 times 2, £12. So Brian gets £12. Final example. Just give it a quick read. So Chris and David share some money in the ratio 3 to 2. David gets £10. How much does Chris get? And again, I'll start by bar modelling. And Chris is first, so he's getting 3 parts. So Chris gets 3 parts. David gets these 2. Now I don't know what the total amount is, I haven't been told that, but I have been told that David gets £10. So I can put, that's £10 from there to there. And David gets 2 parts, but he gets £10 in total. So if I do 10 divided by 2 is 5, they're 5. And all the parts are equal, so I can fill in those. And then I can answer the question. How much does Chris get? He gets 5, 10, 15, or 5 times 3, 15. So Chris gets £15. And that's it. Try the practice worksheet in the link below and then check your answers. I've done an answer sheet as well. If you don't understand anything here or if you get something wrong, ask your teacher or put a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye.